Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop step by step. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if this tutorial helps you out. I'd really appreciate it. Now, most people want to play Roblox directly in their browser, and while you can browse the site, buy and create items, as well as explore games, you can actually play games through the browser. To actually play games, you are going to need to download a small application on your computer, but don't worry, it's super quick and super easy, and there's two methods to do this. The first method is through the Microsoft Store, and the second method is directly from the official Roblox site, which I recommend for the smoothest experience. To do this, go ahead and open up a browser of your choice. I'm going to be using Chrome for this, and head to roblox.com and log into your Roblox account or create one. It's completely up to you. Once you go ahead and get logged in, you can pick any game that you'd like to try. For this example, I'm actually going to go with a classic. We're going to go with Speedrun 4 and hit enter. This is Speedrun 4. I used to play this way back in the day on actually the Roblox on Xbox, which is really funny. But essentially, find whatever game you want to go ahead and play, hit on it, and then on the game page right here, hit this little play icon. And what it's going to go ahead and do is prompt you with a message just like this. It'll say download Roblox. What you're going to want to do is actually simply go ahead and click on this little download Roblox button, and it's going to go ahead and install a .exe file up here. Once it's finished, simply click on the file to run it, and you might see a security pop up. Just hit yes or run, and it's going to automatically install in just a few minutes. Now, once it does install for you, as you can see, I have it right here. Go back to that same browser that you were just on and then hit that play button again. This time it's going to pop up with an option that says open Roblox game client. Go ahead and click on that and it's going to automatically open up that game just like so. It may say installing Roblox, configuring Roblox, starting Roblox, something like that, and then it'll launch for you. Now you can make this full screen here. You can make it Windows. It doesn't really matter for the sake of the tutorial. I'm just going to keep it the way it is. But essentially, now you'll be able to play Roblox. But yeah, it really is as simple as this. And oh my gosh, this game has been updated so much since I last played it. What the heck? I have a pet? What the? Now that you do have Roblox installed, you are able to play any game that you would like. Something like Adopt Me, Bloxburg, Jailbreak. It doesn't really matter. You could play all of them. And keep in mind, this is going to work on both laptops and desktop PCs. But it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us down in the comments below. We'd be happy to help out even further. But have a great rest of your day.